Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by using public signals you already legally have. Enter the person's full name plus a known city or employer to narrow results, because context reduces noise. Next, scan major public platforms: LinkedIn for professional photos, Instagram for recent posts, Facebook for albums, since these are where people often share images. Once done, open profile photos and look for publicly visible albums. Make sure to respect privacy settings and don't attempt to bypass access controls. Next, use reverse image search with an image you legitimately possess or a profile photo visible to you. Upload that image to Google Images, Bing Visual Search, or TinEye to find copies or related photos across the web. This helps you locate shared instances, higher resolution originals, or linked pages. Once results appear, compare dates, surrounding text, and source credibility to confirm it's the same person, and make sure you don't use private images without consent or bypass protections to obtain them. To finish, verify any candidate images by cross-referencing at least 2 independent sources, different platforms or reputable sites, to avoid mistaken identity. If you still can't find photos, ask the person directly or reach out to mutual contacts for permission to view or share images. This is both efficient and ethical. If you get noisy or incorrect matches, refine keywords, try variant spellings, or use additional context like employer or graduation year. As a troubleshooting tip, always respect privacy and stop if access appears restricted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.